Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I am coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today, kings and queens, with another It's Fall Y'all swap reveal. This is swap number 17. Yes, I said it, y'all. Number 17. And this swap is from Chauntee Pringle. And Miss Pringle has been following me here on the YT for some time now. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. So her items came in this envelope. I'm going to cut it and open it because I have not opened it. See all the goodies that she had, but before I actually start the actual swap, I'm going to say, Chauntee, thank you so much, Queen, for allowing yourself to walk in your greatness, and also for being a blessing to one of the other queens here in the group. We greatly appreciate it so much, beloved, okay? So I'm going to take out her items. And I am going to make sure that I leave all of Chauntee's information down in the description box. Okay, y'all, so I had to back it up a little bit. So the name of her company is called Sow, S-O-W, Creative, okay? So here are the items that she sent in. She sent in 3 items, and she sent in 1 for me and 2 for her swap partner. Now, I am going to open this up for me. Open this up so you all can see what I received. There we go. She got it in this pretty blue tissue paper. Oh, this is cute. Oh, wow. Look at these colors, y'all. Look at this. Oh, this is definitely it's fall, y'all. Look at these colors. This is gorgeous. Thank you, Chauntee. Thank you so much, Queen. I greatly appreciate it. I got charms on here. One is peace, and one is love. This is gorgeous, Queen. Thank you so very much. Okay, let me take my stuff off. I like to wear my stuff when I'm going somewhere, y'all. So thank you so much, Chauntee, for these beautiful gifts. I greatly appreciate you, sweetheart. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get into, so this is a purse. It's a chain purse charm with earrings, okay? Chain purse charm with earrings. Oh, wow. Look at that. All right, let me move. Wow, this is cute. Oh, I love the colors, Queen. Look at this. Thinking outside the box. Thinking outside of the box. This is what I'm talking about. So this is a purse charm. And these are the matching earrings that she made to go with it. This is really, really cute. I love it. Wow. And I just love the ideas that everybody has. Y'all have so many awesome ideas. And this is beautiful. Get a good look at it. That's gorgeous. My fingernail a little raggedy, y'all, so don't pay it no mind. Okay, and then these are the earrings. That is really, really cute. Wow. So that's a beautiful set of Chauntee. So purse charm. Wow, I can't get over these colors. Those colors are gorgeous. And these beautiful earrings. So this is the first set. Okay. Put this back in the bag. And then the very last item that she has is a beaded bracelet with charm. Oh, this is cute. Oh, wow. Look at this. Be the change. Wow. That's gorgeous. So these are 2 beaded bracelets. I love the color. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, y'all. So once again, Chauntee, I want to say thank you so very much, Queen, for allowing yourself to walk in your greatness and also for allowing yourself to be a blessing to the world and a blessing to one of the queens here in the group. If for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. And I am going to be coming back to do the very last swap reveal. Because we have 17, I have to do one because to make it even, to make it number 18, because we have to have an even number. Okay, so I will be coming back with my swap, but I want to thank those of you who have been watching all of these swaps. We greatly appreciate it so very much. And I just want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.